Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bike multi-tools that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a mountain biker, road cyclist, or just love casual rides, having a reliable multi-tool is essential for quick repairs and adjustments on the go. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the ROCKBROS 16-in-1 Multifunction Bike Toolkit. This versatile multi-tool is perfect for cyclists who want a compact yet capable repair kit. It includes 16 tools, such as socket hex wrenches, hex key wrenches, solid wrenches, slotted and Phillips screwdrivers, plus 2 tire levers. This makes it ideal for tackling basic repairs and maintenance tasks, both on and off the bike. The folding design is compact and portable. Measuring just 3.5 by 1.7 by 1.2 inches and weighing 7.8 ounces, making it easy to carry in your bag or pocket. The build quality is solid, with tools made from durable alloy steel. While it doesn't offer the extensive range of features seen in higher-ranked tools, it's a great option for casual riders or those who need an affordable, basic solution. The design is simple and easy to use. But some users might find the lack of a chain tool limiting for more technical fixes. The ROCKBROS multi-tool stands out for its affordable price and versatility, making it a good choice for beginners or as a backup tool. Pros: compact design, affordable price, includes tire levers. Cons: no chain tool, fewer advanced features compared to other options. Ideal for casual cyclists or household repairs. But some users might find the lack of a chain tool limiting for more technical fixes. The ROCKBROS multi-tool stands out for its affordable price and versatility, making it a good choice for beginners or as a backup tool. No chain tool, fewer advanced features compared to other options. Ideal for casual cyclists or household repairs. But some users might find the lack of a chain tools limiting for more technical fixes. The ROCKBROS multi-tool stands out for its affordable price and versatility, making it a good choice for beginners or as a... At number 4, we have the Park Tool IB2 IB Mini Fold-Up Hex Screwdriver Torque Set. Known for its compact and lightweight design, this tool is perfect for riders who prefer minimalism without sacrificing strength or reliability. It includes 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 mm Allen wrenches, a T25 Torx head, and a flathead screwdriver. These tools fold neatly into a compact shape, making it easy to store in a pocket or saddlebag. At just 3.52 ounces, it's one of the lightest tools on our list. Park Tool's legendary limited lifetime warranty adds peace of mind, and the durable construction ensures reliability for years to come. However, it doesn't include a chain tool or spoke wrench, which limits its functionality compared to other options. It's best suited for quick fixes and adjustments rather than comprehensive repairs. If you're looking for a lightweight and durable multi-tool for basic adjustments, the IB2 is a solid choice. Pros: lightweight and compact, durable construction, lifetime warranty. Cons: no chain tool or spoke wrench, limited features. Ideal for riders who prioritize portability and simplicity. Taking the number 3 spot is the Vibrelli Bike Multi-Tool V19. This multi-tool is packed with 19 precision tools, including hex wrenches, a universal chain breaker tool, spoke wrenches, open wrenches, Phillips and flat screwdrivers, and a Torx T25. Its slim profile and non-slip sidebar grips make it easy and comfortable to use. Measuring just 3 inches in length and weighing 6.5 ounces, it's portable and convenient to carry on any ride. Plus, it comes with a protective carry case for added convenience. One standout feature is its military-grade MILSTD 810G durability, meaning it can withstand heavy use and harsh conditions. The hardened high-tensile CRV steel ensures long-lasting performance, and Vibrelli backs this up with an ironclad lifetime warranty. While it's slightly heavier than some competitors, the extra tools and durability make it an excellent choice for riders who need reliability and versatility. Pros: comprehensive toolset, durable construction, lifetime warranty, includes carry case. Cons: slightly heavier than competitors. Ideal for cyclists who want a durable multi-tool with a wide range of features. At number 2, we have the crankbrothers multi-tool M17 bike tool. As the budget option on our list, this multi-tool offers incredible value for just $25.88. It features 17 tools, including hex wrenches, open wrenches, spoke wrenches, Phillips and flat screwdrivers, and a Torx T25. The chain tool is compatible with 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12-speed chains, making it versatile for riders of all types. The ergonomic design includes side grips for a secure hold, even when wearing gloves. Made from chromium molybdenum steel, the M17 is both lightweight and durable, weighing just 5.9 ounces. Its slim profile and compact size make it easy to carry in a pocket or saddlebag. While it doesn't have as many features as the Vibrelli V19 or the crankbrothers M19, it's a great choice for riders on a budget who still want a reliable and versatile tool. Pros: affordable price, ergonomic design, chain tool compatibility. Cons: limited tools compared to higher-end options. Ideal for budget-conscious cyclists who still need a reliable multi-tool. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the crankbrothers Multi-Tool 19 Gold. This premium multi-tool is designed for serious cyclists who want the very best in quality and performance. With 19 tools, including hex wrenches, open wrenches, spoke wrenches, Phillips and flat screwdrivers, Torx T10 and T25, and a chain tool compatible with 8 to 12-speed chains, this tool has everything you need for on-the-go repairs. The ergonomic design features side grips for easy use, even with gloves on. Constructed from chromium molybdenum steel, the M19 is lightweight yet durable, weighing just 6.2 ounces. Its compact size and slim profile make it easy to carry, and it comes with a lifetime warranty for complete peace of mind. At $28.70, it's slightly more expensive than other options. But the additional tools and premium build quality make it a worthwhile investment for any cyclist. Whether you're tackling advanced repairs or just need a reliable multi-tool for everyday use, the crankbrothers M19 is the ultimate choice. Pros: comprehensive toolset, durable construction, ergonomic design, lifetime warranty. Cons: higher price point. Ideal for serious cyclists who want a premium multi-tool with advanced features. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.